All right, hello everyone. This is Leon, and today I would like to talk about the exam and the quiz. As we all know, it is very important to evaluate students' learning progress during each semester. That's why I require every teacher to at least set up one exam during each semester, which is a final exam, right? But it is recommended to at least do two exams, one midterm, one final. But if it cannot be done, then one final is okay. And also for quiz, every 3 or 4 lessons, one quiz, I think it's good enough for you to monitor the students' learning progress to see if he or she is following the path. So today I would like to also introduce how to actually conduct the exam or quiz. It comes with two different scenario. One scenario is one-on-one lesson, which is an individual lesson. Another one is one on multiple, which is a group lesson, right? So how to do that? Let me show you. If it is an individual lesson, which should be very simple, all you need to do is to first have the question in front of you, so you can upload a file from your desktop or check the authorized resources that Yifan has shared with you. All the materials should be in the folder. If you don't have the folder shared with you, let us know. So now I am going to use the SSAT vocabulary quiz as a quick example. So we're going to use this one, Unit 5 quiz. And the software will upload a file onto the drive and open it right away. And on the other hand, we need to do some preparation. We need to write down some question numbers: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So based on how many questions are going to be in the exam or quiz, you need to write how many numbers, right? So that your students can directly input on the blackboard. Let me put here. If it is 20 questions, make it 20. So now I'm just write 10 so that you get the idea. All right. All right. So now we have the questions in front of us. Right now we have my student Sophie in the classroom. Let's assume that she is the only student learning with you today. And I am going to authorize Sophie, give her the prompt so she can use the tools to do the input. And then I will also explain to Sophie that, oh, this is the first option should be A, the second one will be B, next will be C, and D and E. So Sophie is actually making the selections very quick. So A, B, C, D, E, E, D, A. Once she is done, well, I mean, each time when you finish one question, you are going to switch to the next one, and the next one, and next one. Once you finish everything, you can also access to the answer key file somewhere else. You can use your phone, you can use your computer to open the file, but do not. Well, you can open that in the classroom as well, but after the student has complete the questions. In this case, you can see, okay, Sophie, you finished all the questions, and let's see which one you did right. So the first one is correct, but this one is wrong, correct, wrong, correct, etc. So you can mark everything and also give a final grade. For example, that will be minus 3 points out of 10. So the total will be 7, right? What you can do is to actually take a screenshot of everything. So you can use class notes to do that. Click it, and then you can put a capture Sophie quiz U1, 2, 3. And once you finish this, the file can be accessed and also download somewhere else. Oh, this one is not complete yet. Let's take another one. Yeah, this one is completed. Sophie quiz U1, 2, 3 completed. Okay, and this one is uploaded as well. All right, so you can download it as a proof that you finished the exam with Sophie. So you can save it somewhere, like maybe to the temp. Okay, quiz 1, 2, 3. Okay, yeah. And so this is a demonstration about how to conduct a quiz for one student. Same scenario could happen for 2 students or more. So let's see how to do multiple students. So same questions. Let's say the quiz is for Sophie and Ray. So Ray is the second student in this classroom, and I am going to authorize her so that she can use the tools to do the input. And then I will come to here and go to teaching tools, and then I will click sketchboard and put join. And I will use text tool. Same stuff. Oh, actually, the tool is this tool box is for this blackboard. And if you are going to use this small blackboard, you are going to use the toolbox here. Do mess up with each one. Okay. So I'm going to put, yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 questions for this quiz. And then here, and I will hand this out to everyone. So so Sophie and Ray can actually do the questions. Here is one thing to note. So once you start the exam, you need to consider that Ray and Sophie may or may not do the questions at the same speed. So you will need to control that. You are the person control which question goes first and the second. From my perspective, I strongly recommend to do that one by one. Like, okay, Sophie and Ray, you can start working on question number 1. Which answer is that? A, B, C, D, or E? Could you please do the answer? Okay, Sophie. Oh, Sophie is very rushed. She already finished the rest, but yeah. But we are not there yet. But for Ray has been doing this. Okay, next question and next question and next. So they are keep doing that. And the best thing is they are not able to see each other's question and answers. So once you see, oh, everyone has done all the 10 questions, you can collect the answer. And then once you finish that, you want to save answers, yes. And you need to select a folder. In this case, I will put it here, select folder, and guess what? All the questions are actually saved here. So this is Ray, and this is Sophie. So whatever you write over there, like mark them and make some notes, it will also show up here. So it is even easier than the first scenario, the individual one. You don't have to use the class notes. It will automatically save all your work. Sounds good? Okay. So this is how to conduct quiz and exam. And again, it is necessary to keep all the work in your hard drive, and so that later you can share that with us. You can upload the files onto the online forms, like the term and feedback report. And that's all for the tutorial today. So if you have any question, let us know. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.